Dahil gusto din lamang ni Senator Marcoleta na lagi siyang bida bilang dating chairman man ng BRC o sa usaping West Philippine Sea o anumang issue involving China o dili kaya ay sa usaping restitution na mag-asawang Diskaya, siya na nga ang tunay na bida sa aking magiging pahayag sa mga sandaling ito ngayong hapon. Memory is short, Mr. President. With that said, and with your indulgence, let me refresh our memory on the historical background of the animosities, or shall I say, why the gentleman from Tarlac and Pampanga, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, has become so obsessed with tagging and bad-mouthing this representation, as he has become obsessed with defending China in many fora, like in the confirmation hearing of 35 senior officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, but especially when he interpolated our distinguished colleague from the majority bloc, Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan, when he sponsored and defended Senate Resolution number 37 last February 2. So obsessed that he had to resort to rigorous stalking of all my interviews and social media updates, nitpicking from every statement I uttered, and tricking this august chamber to cry foul, armed with nothing but his draining litany. Since Senator Marcoleta apparently knows every word I say in my media interviews and every move I make in this chamber, napilitan akong balikan ang napakaraming pagkakataon na ako ay naging paksa ng kanyang mga personal na atake. Perhaps, Mr. President, it started when this representation inquired about Senator Marcoleta's hilaw interpretation of Senate rules relative to his motion to dismiss in the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte last year. Thus, on August 6, 2025, I manifested my inquiry regarding Senator Marcoleta's arguments calling for the dismissal of the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte using Section 135 of the Senate rules. I highlighted that nowhere in our rules can we find a provision on a motion to dismiss, nor is there a suppletory application of the rules of court and other references like the Riddick's Manual, etc., to accommodate such a motion. I merely raised a parliamentary inquiry into how we can deal with the said motion to dismiss an impeachment case given that we were then constituted as a legislative body in plenary session and not as an impeachment court. It was supposed to be a simple parliamentary inquiry from what I considered then, and I quote, medyo hilaw na interpretation ng ating Honorable Marcoleta, unquote. Ewan ko, Mr. President, simula nang nasopla ko si Senator Marcoleta sa floor, ay tila nagtanim na siya ng poot sa kanyang dibdib.